So I'm excited about the overall mission of Quioveo because it's looking to actually create a platform and a mechanism that actually allows communities to implement their hopes and their goals of creating community-owned energy projects. So energy democracy has been a concept that I've been working on for the last 10 years, where communities get to have ownership and governance over their energy systems. But the challenge is it's really hard to move from an idea to a policy to implementation. And the implementation piece is the hardest because there's just not enough resource support around the engineering and the technical capacity to allow communities to do that. So Quioveo creates an opportunity that allows communities to be able to move this idea into implementation and getting onto the grid and having community-owned renewables as seen as not just a niche piece, but actually a realistic and viable solution moving forward. And we need an all-hands-on-deck approach for the climate crisis. So it's really essential and critical. So it really helps create the playing field for communities in ways that just have not been available to them at the time. And the first step being the Illuminator is exciting because it makes data transparent and much more available. So as someone who works with communities around participatory policymaking, participatory evaluation, participatory research, being able to see information and data in ways that are accessible and usable is also really essential. And the energy system, as we know, is not a transparent one, nor a participatory one. So this is an exciting tool.